In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of registering with a local partner broker for trading the local stocks. So the very first thing is for you to type in www.amechtrading.com into your browser address to direct you to this page where you click on this three menu icon at the top. You click on the company tab, then you select the partner broker local. So this would bring two options for you to make use of Android or iOS depending on your device. So for me, I'll be selecting the second option. So selecting that, it will request that should it lead to an external app for us to download the app. So for Android users, it's going to lead you to the Google Play Store, while for iOS users, it's going to lead you to the App Store. So I'll click on allow. So we can see this is the app that we're going to be making use of, Bamboo. So if you have not downloaded the app before, you click on download and you install. Then for me, it's already installed and I'll click on open. So once the app is open, the next thing is for us to create an account. So if you have an account already, you click on sign in. So for the purpose of those that want to create an account, so we click on the first button here, create account. So you select your country, Nigeria. The next thing, you fill in your details as they appear on your official documents that you are going to be using for verification. So you have to make sure that the name aligns. So I'll be using these details for verification purpose and registration purpose. All right, then date of birth. So you select the year, the day, and the month. So you also make sure that it tallies with the documents you're going to be submitting. So you input your password, which must contain a capital letter, a small letter, it must have a number and a special character. You can use plus, at, greater than any special character, and they must not be less than 8 in total. So once you've done that, the next thing is to click on this by acknowledging that you've read the terms and conditions, which you can go through. Then you click on continue. So then you need to write what you're seeing here as a captcha. So I'm seeing YV67 MU. I'll click on next. So a verification code has been generated, which has been sent to the phone number. So if the phone number, probably you made a mistake initially, you can request for a change by clicking the change here option. So for me, I've gotten my code, then I'll be typing that in 176462. Then I'll click on next. So you can also create your PIN, which you can always change at any point in time. You can always change that at any point in time. Next thing is for us to complete our KYC. So to continue with our verification, so the first thing is you go to the KYC status, or you can continue from where it's going to request for your BVN. So the first thing is identity verification. So you type in your BVN number. So the next thing is to fill the bank details. So selecting OPay, you search for your bank, GT, Zenith, Access, whichever one you're using, and you type in your account number. So for me, 8085694566. So it will confirm your account name as well. As you can see, that's mine. Then I click on submit, then proceed. So that is done. So the other thing is to fill your employment details, your marital status, your goal, and every other thing here. So if you have not, you can also go through that. So once that is filled, you click on next. So the next page is asking if you have an affiliation with a US broker dealer or FINRA, or you're a director or a shareholder of. So since I don't have any of this, so I'm going to be selecting none of the above. Next page is asking if you have an affiliation with a US broker dealer or FINRA, or you're a director or a shareholder of. So since I don't have any of this, so I'm going to be selecting none of the above. And then so once you're done, to confirm that you actually didn't miss any part of your KYC, you can click on the menu and you click on this KYC status and check which of all these has not been, filled. So for whichever one that has not been filled here, you proceed to fill them. And once you're done, we can go further to the next stage, which is deposit and start trading.